In this video, I'm gonna explain to you the main difference between the volume automation curve that you use for mixing, that you access usually from here, so waveform, volume, just like automate this to be able to mix your track, versus the clip-based gain. So what I did in this session, I'd have just inserted an EQ on my synth track, and what I would like you to look at right now is the input level of the synth. Just mind you, I'm at 0 unity gain for the volume curve, and as well for the clip-based gain I'm at 0. So nothing has been changed so far. So it's reaching about here, like -10, -12. What I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is just access the fader of the clip-based gain and just go higher by about 7 dBs. Check now the level of the input, so how loud the audio is hitting my EQ right now. So not only I'm hearing the synth louder, but it's as well hitting my EQ louder. Now, if I were to just undo what I did right now, so I'm back to unity gain, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing but using the volume curve. So I will go ahead and do that. So there you go. Let's take the trimmer and go up. So again, about 7 dBs. Check now the input level of the EQ again. As you can hear, it still sounds as loud as when I used earlier the clip-based gain by higher the level of the clip by 7 dBs. However, when you look at the input level, that is the audio hitting the EQ, it's not anymore being raised by 7 dBs. It's still hitting the EQ at the exact same level, which is at about -10 or -12 dBs. So in conclusion, whenever you are applying clip-based gain to your clip, this is going to affect the input level of your audio when it hits your inserts. So it's in fact pre-inserts. And whenever you are using the automation volume curve, this is going to affect the level of your audio after it's coming out of your inserts. So it's not really going to affect the input level of your audio when it's hitting your insert, and it is in fact post inserts. I hope this makes sense.